Okay, folks, we're going to show you how to clean this chimney. First thing you're going to need, this is a clay tile chimney, so you're going to want a metal chimney sweep that is the right size of the tile. This one happens to be a 7x11 tile. So you can get these. You've got two choices. These just screw on to fiberglass poles, but since in a previous life I was a contractor, I've got a lot of painting equipment, so I welded a nut onto just a mini roller and then screwed that onto a painter's pole, and that I find to be a little easier to deal with than except my no. My pole, she's jammed. Well, I guess I'll have to use her short, and then I'll switch to my longer pole. Anyway, we'll set this over here for now. You'll need an open-end wrench. To loosen. See the ash that is just coating this thing. It is just gnarly. So I use one of these. It's important to clean this because all that ash is reducing your draft. It obviously doesn't need to be sparkling, but alright, let me show you what the inside of this thing looks like. So that's what happens after you've had a chimney fire. So we'll start with our brush, and what you want to do is you want to scrub on each side put pressure on all four sides and go down a little bit. It's real important that you got your damper in your stove completely open, but your door is shut, because this is going to drop a lot of ash, creosote ash, down to the bottom of the stove. And that's what you want. You want to be able to drop it in and it to not dam up at the bottom when it fall through. So I just go around clockwise, putting pressure. And you can feel the resistance. Unfortunately, I said before, my tool is jammed, so we'll go ahead and switch to our longer painter's pole. Like I said, you can buy the fiberglass spindles. The other thing is, the way this works, the reason this loop is here, the other method for using this is by ropes. You can have two people, a rope on each end, and pull. If you've got a curve, you can actually pull these things through, but I don't recommend trying to pull it through an elbow. But you can have one person in the bottom of the stove, and one person at the top, running back and forth if you don't want to use a pole. I don't recommend it. Poles are just way easier. Alright, so now we've got our big pole, which is a Werner. Now I'm at the end of the flue right there. All right. Now, what I like to do after you got to let the ash kind of come up and get out of the way. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a line. I'll tie this flashlight and drop it down, and so I can see all the way to the bottom. But you can, once the ash clears, you can get a pretty good visual. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. I'll try to show it to you. don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's pretty dark down there. But what I'm looking for is, you know, cracks in the tile. I can see down right now to the first 2 tiles. There's about, I think, 4 total in the stack. Anyway, all right. We'll to get her button back up, and I'll come back with a rope. And let me show you how to put this thing back on. So the main thing is you want to get these things snug, and I just put just like an 1/8 of a turn, because you don't want, you'll crack your tile if you over tighten these things. Just put them just a little bit, check it, make sure it's secure, call it done. Missed a couple spots, didn't I? Alright. Well, there you have it, folks. Like I said, don't do this on a steep roof or anything. Hire a professional. But if you want to do yourself, it's not like crazy hard. And just remember to use metal for clay tile, and use the nylon brushes for metal chimneys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe.